A very warm welcome to this training session of Bosch Home and Garden. My name is Dino. I'm product trainer of Bosch Home and Garden, and I proudly present you today the new DIY hand tools. They are not only characterized by a very high quality, they also have a lot of intelligent and clever features. And what these features are, that you can work very comfortable and very easy with the tools, we will see now in detail. Extremely useful are knives. Because of that, we have two knives in our program. One is the folding knife, and the folding knife you can use also with two hands. But also if you have your material you want to cut in the one hand, you have the problem you have not a second hand to unfold it. So you also can unfold it only with one hand and now cut your material. Also, it's very easy to release your knife or your blade in the knife. That means if you have you can use standard blades, of course, and you only have here to pull the red trigger, and then you can change your blade very easy and very fast. Also, you have a garage inside. That means you have every time more blades with you. And here you have a finger recess area. That means if you want to cut very hard, very strong, you can use it housing with the finger recess area and cut very easily and very comfortable. Also, you have here a belt clip. So that means every time you have your knife with you where you need it. Also, we have a snap of a knife in the program. And you see it's working very smooth, very easily, and also stops. So that means that you can cut very comfortable with that knife. Also at the end, if you use the blade up to the end, of course, between you can break here these blades and use it up to the end. At the end, you can easily remove the rest of the blade. And also you have here a garage inside where you can storage up to 6 blades. And what is very nice is if you go back now, the next blade snaps in full automatically.